But I guess an overview. I mean, gee, this I could go anywhere with this really, but some of you may have seen this. You can, if you have Dolphin, you can open the disk and extract all the files in there, and insist is like main.dol is the main executable that gets run. Then the Wii also has these rel files, which are basically also code, but they don't all get loaded at the same time because there's not enough memory, I guess. And so it makes it kind of confusing. And there's, you know, they're mostly just like weird random stuff, but there's a couple that are interesting proficient bugs, which are this one, fish field and insect field, I think. I think it's a really weird and old like naming convention actually. Because apparently, I mean, there's limited like decomp of Animal Crossing, but a little bit more of the N64 games, and I guess a lot of those are named with D at the start. I don't know why, but wait, which one did I have open out? Let's look at the fish. Yo, Aiden. Yeah, pretty much. The rel files is what I'm interested in at the moment. Because this D fish field, I'm pretty sure contains like logic and potentially data for like fish spawning, and same with the insect one. But yes, these rel files. Can you even see the screen, by the way? I have no idea if it's way small. I mean, obviously it's my whole monitor, but I guess it's on you. Yeah, relocatable object files used by Nintendo. There's some decent documentation on these because like Mario Kart Wii hacking is pretty common. And like Super Smash Bros. Brawl as well. There's kind of a lot, but I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It just has a bunch of stuff. But and it's broken down into sections, I guess is the main thing. Text sections and data sections, and the text ones are the ones with code. And so like if you open up, this is what it looks like. Not very exciting. But it's just compiled code, so it's all like, you know, assembly. And the Wii uses, what is it called? 32-bit PowerPC Broadway, a special IBM processor just for the Wii. Yo, TBT, what's up? This is some sort of lesson. Disclaimer, I don't have no idea what I'm talking about. Don't take anything I say as like truth. But just a brief overview of how I understand it. But yeah, this is just a special instruction set. It's pretty simple. Well, not really, but like these are pretty common assembly instructions that you see in like other ones. But what else? This is Brawlbox, which is used to do this with Brawl files, but you can use it for this fairly well. Where if you just click anywhere in here, it'll sort of show you like, you know, each one of these is a function basically, and all the routines in there. But yeah. So this is all we have for this game, unfortunately. As far as I know, there are no like, I mean, there's no source code for one. There are no symbol maps that would make this look any better. This is basically it. Although there's this other tool, Ghidra, made by the NSA for like stuff, but there's a publicly available version. And so you can use that. And this does some limited like decompilation, which is kind of neat. And so I've kind of been looking at this as well, but it's not like completely correct, I don't think. Scantron. It's been like a decade since I done a Scantron. But yeah, so I mean, it's kind of what it is. Like I'm see if I can find an example somewhere. Like, and it's basically like this is all the assembly, and then this program is able to like kind of make it. I guess this is C++. I don't know. Look, it's a little more readable, but it's also not because there's no function names, and it's just like a bunch of this stuff, so it's kind of weird and not really helpful. Just staring at this, but there's some interesting ones that are a little more like straightforward. I'll see if I can find. You can't even control F. I can show you the one I found that's kind of interesting. Can I? Where is it? Where is it? Yo, Pac-Man. What's up? Going pretty well, thank you. How are you doing? How's the fishing? Control F Marlin, I wish. I wish it were so simple. The issue is like there aren't many strings stored in these files. Not in the code one anyway. Can I open this? There are like some weird ones, some kind of weird things in like the data. Look. Oh, this is kind of funny. SS confirmed in the code. That's how that's how you know it's real. SSSML LL LLL and then J. I don't know what J is or U. But yeah, confirmed. Terraforming New Horizons, nice. Yeah, I think my understanding is that these are just like function names that are stored in this data section for some reason. It's kind of interesting. Like these, I think these are the names of like C functions that aren't readable because they're compiled. But J for Joseph, definitely. But like D search fish position sounds kind of interesting, right? D fish field, stuff like that. I want to find show what I found. No, it's just like so small. I can just find it. It's not exactly. I mean, it's easy to get lost, I guess. With this thing, because I'm kind of just like learning how to use this right now as well, as of yesterday. And for some reason, I don't know how to search in this. But like some of these, like you can rename as well, which is kind of nice. You can figure out what they do. I've renamed like 2 of them. One of them is just like broken because I don't think it decompiled it right, or it split a function that Brawlbox didn't. But I swear it's in here. Did I write it down? The Desert Pope function, the one that I don't know what it does, which is all of them, aside from one, but I don't know where it is in this one. These use different like offsets as well, which is really kind of annoying. 250C. All right, somewhere down below here, definitely. But basically, it's just checking, like it's a function that checks whether an ID that gets passed in is a fin or not. If it's between like, if it's 60, 61, or 62, which is kind of interesting. I'm kind of trying to work back from there. If I could actually find it. I wish, because the thing is, like, I don't even know, right? Like, the whole reason I'm doing this, I have the assumption that there is a spawn table somewhere in the binary files, either in this rel file or the main.dol file. There is a table somewhere. There is some sort of data that gives you the percentages or the chances of fish showing up, and same with bugs. And so, you know, with that assumption in mind, I want to find it. Okay, here we go. That's the whole goal, to find anything. Check if ID is finned. This is, it takes an ID, and if it's, you know, less than 3F, which is less than 60 or greater than, wait, is that 60 or is it 61? Oh yeah, if it's less than 63 or greater than 59. If it's 60, 61, or 62, it returns 1, otherwise 0. And then think about it like this. The 60, the index with starting index 0. So 60 is actually this one. And so 60, 61, 62 are the fins. So that was like the first thing I found. And like the only thing I really found that was actually useful. So I'm like, okay, this gets called somewhere to check whether it's a fin or not. And it only gets referenced in one place, which is here. And all this one does is take the register address and add this offset and then load it into that register. And then it passes that into this that we just did. So we know that this offset from this register, when this function gets called, is between like 0 and I think it's like 67, because there's actually trash as well. They have their own ID. But yeah, so the Harry Potter speed value, I mean, that sounds kind of cool. Because I don't know, but anyway. So with that in mind, I found this instruction in the dolphin memory. So we have our dolphin here. Yo, Dilmel, good night. Yeah, I was able to find it. It's right here. So it's like, it's from the rel file, so it gets loaded into memory. Although I don't think it's always in the same place. So, but anyway, so I made a breakpoint there when I was testing this, and it's paused, but you can basically, you know, resume it, and then it'll stop when it gets here. And the part from here, basically, you know, based on the code, you look in R3, you go to registers, and R3 is this value, right? For example, and then you add 248 because that's the offset. So you can do this, paste it, and then add 248. And you get the new address. And then you can check that in Dolphin. Oh, it was already there. And it's 4 bytes. And it's 1E. Which is 30. Then you look at the fish list, and it's 30 plus 1. So there's an angelfish. There's an angelfish somewhere. 2 US City Folk. I think I was playing around with trying to play 2 at once, actually, a while ago. To do 2 golden nets at once with 1 input. Yeah, let me just do all that real quick. That's the end of the intro, basically. But anyway, so now there should be an angelfish somewhere. Let's go find it. On our emulator with mouse. What do you know? The delay. And there you have it. Easy. And so I did that. And if you run through that you know, what do you even call it, breakpoint again? It calls that function every frame. But I think that function is specifically for drawing the shadow, which I guess it does it like every frame or something. But the unfortunate thing is so these are watches. These are the 8 addresses that I found that it actually looks at. So it seems like only 8 fish at a time are spawned in at once, which is kind of interesting. But yeah, so this is basically a listing of the 8 fish that are in the world right now. Pretty sure. And that's kind of where I'm at. Can I make this stay up? Can I close this? Whatever. Oh, it's so annoying you can't pop out everything. Whatever. So yeah, it's info. So like right now there's... I mean, we can go through it if you want, but... A couple black bass. 1, 2, a bitterling? Oh, that's not right. Oh no, sorry, that's a crucian carp. That makes more sense. 1 killifish? Oh, 1 killifish, really? Let me even contest that. Where's my ponds? Way up there. Would there really be a killifish in the pond? On this tiny little corner screen? No. Did it despawn? Oh, dude, the 9's gone. So I can't tell exactly when this table gets updated. Unfortunately, it doesn't update live. You have to pause the emulation. So it'd be really nice if that, unless I'm just doing it wrong, if that table updated live, that'd be really nice. To see like when exactly things change. And like what causes fish to despawn. That's kind of like the whole point. I probably could actually. I think you can set a breakpoint on when values change in memory. I could try that. 43 and 241s. Let's see. Oh, so this is a butterfly fish. Right? Oops. Alright, actually, hold on. Another funny thing you can do, I think this will work. So like the butterfly fish is 42, right? I think that's the one right in front of me. If you change this number to something that a fin would be. 61 and then resume. It doesn't get a fin, unfortunately, but it gets the little fin. You see that, like, the ripple? It gets the ripple. Since I changed that value to a shark value, it thinks it's a shark, so it adds that texture, which is kind of neat. Oh, it does change it. That's news to me. Hold on. Okay. I'll clip that. Wow. So that's really good, actually. It doesn't change the shadow, but it changes the fish. I mean, shoot, can I clip that right now? That means we actually have something. It changed the fish. So... these registers are the actual... I mean, these memory addresses are the actual fish. A river fish? Actually, I will try. Let's see if I can isolate one. So that's the first time I've actually ever caught the thing. Because, wow. Alright, so we have 2 black bass. A 10, a 13. And by the way, it seems like, you may have noticed, it seems like there's always 4 in the river and 4 in the ocean. Because these high IDs are ocean fish and these low IDs are river fish, so... Kind of interesting. So it still says there's a killifish somewhere. Or that probably respawned. And it says there's a goby somewhere too. I wonder if that's right. But let's try it with this river. It's one of these two, right? Hold on. Oh, yeah, it does work. I wonder if it changes the... Like, I don't know how it determines things like... You know, bite timing and things like that. Vision. Oh, okay. We got ourselves a river shark. Easy game. Oh, thank you, Clip. Let's see. Worst fear, freshwater. I mean, are those real? Dolphin memory engine. I actually have that. Somewhere in here. Oh gosh, it's chugging now. Can you add? Oh, I see. Oh gosh, is this even... Why is this so bad? Is it a word? I know 5328. I don't think it is. What is it? Smiley face. Why isn't this? It's just a decimal. Reopening. Oh, the memory engine. It is the it's in the fourth byte. Is there a way to change the bit order? That's my only thought. Oh, this thing? Yeah. Oh, it's fine. I guess I can live with them. Wait, was I gonna test something? It would be nice to see it live though, for sure. Wait. I don't have a goby. Wait, do I? A 9? It's my killifish again. Let's see. So that's either the 4 or the 3, I think. State or the 22. It's one of the top 3. Scare it. Looks like it. Looks like it was this one. No, 14. Which is a catfish. So how far away is the catfish? How do I open my, oh. That's 3 acres away. Oops. Let's see. It's the 14. Still there, still there. Still there, still there, still there. Oops. Still there. Still there, but when I leave the acre, I think is when it respawns. Oh no, now something else is somewhere. Wait. Yo, Ledger, what's up? Somewhere. 15, oh, eel. I wonder if that one, there was two. I'm up to some nonsense. You want to see something funny? That eel's kind of far away. Hold on. All right. Oops. Unable to. Do I need to pause? Probably. Oh, the eel. Interesting. So it must be based on. I wonder why the eels is so long. It's like he's shooting a laser. Where'd he go? Oh, okay. Whoa. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure the 66 value is trash. Actually, I could test that as well. I'm curious which one's is which. Cause I mean there are 4. No, there's 3. Let's see. 6, 7, 12, 23. Frog. Harp koi. Alright, so it's one of these. So let's try 64 would be the first trash. What's 22? 20. Oops. Did I catch it? I missed it. That was off the thing. Wait, what? Oh, sweet fish. Okay. I'll have to. You know, I could just make every shadow the same. Instead of trying to see what it is, but like... Make this a little bigger. At risk of crashing the stream. Okay, we know eel is 22, right? Oh, no, eels? Oh, 15. Alright. It's gonna be trash. I would guess this is can, right? It would probably go can, boot, tire. I could get him to take a look here. Okay. I'll write that down. Uh, anything interesting? Not really. Oh. Actually, yeah, I can just do this. Oops. For some reason it accepts input. Oh wait, this one, did I just get a natural boot? A natural 66? I don't think it's this one though. It's like a natural tire. I'm guessing that's the way we can check. Yeah, that was a 65. I'm gonna assume 66 is tire. Let's try that. I think I saw somewhere in the code, I think it checks. It checks that it's less than 67 somewhere. Wait, is it in this? Is it in this one? No, I saw it somewhere. Shoot. I can't search for it right now. I don't remember. But, let's try 67. Oh, you know, you can like fish up the key. Remember that? When they lose their key, you can fish up the key. I wonder if 67 is key. If I can find a fish, we'll see. There's a lot of eels this time. I should write like a script or something that'll show the fish. My 15. Oops. All right, 67. Show me what you have. My guess would be key. That'd be kind of cool. Looks like it, I mean, it didn't reject it. I don't know if it would ever check, really? I don't know. Oh, well, that's interesting. Oh, the eel was in the other acre. Haha! It is the key. But whose key? Oops, it doesn't say, does it? It just says it's a key. I can't read Japanese, so I don't know who's... Like, if I talk to somebody, they're not gonna be like, oh, that's not my key. What is 68? Let's see. 11, is this 19 catfish? 14? Or it's probably 19 black bass, yeah. Unless 11... Yeah. Alright, it was 68, right? Still there. I thought it just crashed it, but it's still there. I wonder if it'll... I don't think you can fish up anything else. It's just all keys. Let's find... Okay, my my good friend the eel. The easy check. Oops. So it looks like, I mean, it doesn't redraw the shadow, I guess. It only draws it once, but yeah. Because obviously it doesn't change once I change the ID of the fish, but it, you know, I fish up the fish that I changed it to, so. Oops, all keys. Better go sell. I mean, what else could it be? I guess is the question. And like, why would they ever check? You know, like why would they even bother checking that it's so high? I want to say I saw like 74 or something. So maybe I'll try 75 and see what happens. Oh, you can sell the keys? That's funny. Wait, how much do the keys sell for? Probably nothing, right? Sam, what's up? I like the game by selling the key. Dolphin, yeah, pretty much. Dolphin break the game. Inject fish into the game. Oh wait, let's hold on. Can I even catch a stringfish on emulator? I guess we'll find out. With a mouse. I mean, I think he probably does get you a lecture. He's probably like, hey man, what are you doing selling this key? Don't you know? Started catching bug. Oh, that'd be insane. Wait, that'd actually be so funny. Alright, it'd be 26, whatever. Make them all stringfish. Oops. Actually, I don't know. Like I was saying, I don't know if it changes the bite window at all. I'd imagine not. Obviously, there's no... They would have never tested this, but like... If the shadow stays the same, I would imagine that the other, like... metadata, like, you know, delay and stuff. Take a picture, people. It's a summer nighttime stringfish. Whoa. No way he goes. A surgeonfish in the ocean? Natural? Natural 41? Oh, there is. Is it still going to be there? This probably would have been really helpful for the task guy, huh? If you could just see immediately what was out there, if it was even worth the time. Sucks. Oh, it's gone. See, something, I don't know what makes them despawn. It must be some sort of timer. And or like, I don't know. Poor task guy. Alright, 48. There's a butterfly fish, there's a pufferfish, and there's a couple sea bass. Let's try 75. Yeah, I think that's definitely possible as well. Something with distance. Although, it seems like there's always... Oh! Okay. Sys get fish. I caught a function, man. What is that? It didn't even show up in the inventory. That's crazy. It must use that ID. Yeah, why isn't that one? Well, hold on. Now I want to see what 74 is. Yeah, the thing is, like I was saying, it's always, where it looks like it's always 4 in the ocean and 4 in the river, no matter what. Which is kind of interesting. So this is a clownfish, so I'll make this one 74. Wait, that was in English. I mean, I guess the function names are in English, but I bet I could find that actually. Oh, wow. Oh, hold on. 74 is a key. Does anybody have the name? Hold on. Was this the boot? Try 76. This is potentially very helpful. If I can search for that string somewhere and find it and then like go backwards from there. If it's not just the same, because like obviously the addresses I found are just the IDs of the fish that they get placed there whenever the fish are spawned, but like those IDs are sure. I missed it. I panicked. Too excited. Those IDs are surely like used to get the actual fish from somewhere else, you know what I mean? Is my thought. Yeah, I'd be curious if it is like a placeholder. If this will be the same thing. Yeah, okay, so it is. Sysgetfish.gmm. Maybe that's for all. Wait, what was that? 76. So. And like, did I say that? 74, 75? Sys. I'm gonna have to do it again. I forgot it already. Getfish.smm? Is that what it was? Well, it should have more, right? Oh, more shirts somewhere. So the interesting thing is, I think you're right. And so if I can just find the function where it's like, where it checks for that 74 value, and or find where that string is, I think that'd be helpful a lot. So I could see like, okay, this is the function where it determines if it's a real fish or not, or like where it looks for the fish, you know what I mean? But also, I don't know if it'd be helpful because the fish is already spawned in, right? It's already been determined. So it wouldn't say anything about like the chances probably. And honestly, that might be something completely different. Like this whole rel file might just be the fish behavior. But like what actually, you know, causes the fish to spawn, who knows? Oh my god. Sysgetfish. Oh, is it .gmm? Is it always that? This time it's an umbrella. I wonder what causes it to be different. Oops. 80. Oops. Jeez, you could change the thing to like the last possible moment, huh? I think 8. I think it's just the standard. I may have gone forward one day actually. Okay. Hold on, did I write it down wrong again? Is it always GMM or was the other one SMM? But that one right there was SMM, right? Am I crazy? So there's two, it's two different things. Are they all GMM? Did I just write it down wrong? Oops. Well, I can make this. Try to break the game. Let's see what happens here. GMM or SMM? Or hard crash? Oh. Invalid read, good start. Alright, I'm gonna be smashing enter. Oops. I have to see what it is. Oh, I see. Maybe it is. So exciting. Wow. Look at him struggling. About to make that my new profile picture. The action shot. I'm sorry if you can hear this clicking. I want to see what happens here. Address. Oh, it's trying to read. I hope it's a Marlin too, honestly. Wait a minute. Do you think it'll just go forever? If it can't determine the fish, it might just circle around forever. Actually, I hadn't considered that. Cause I'm pretty sure it is RNG how many times they circle around, but it might just be differences in like loading time. Cause like this thing should have my hand hurts. It should have come up by now, right? There's no way it's gonna come up at this point. If I don't change it, I don't think. Oh, float nan? Hold on. Okay. Something a little... Oh. Wait. I may have gotten too, I don't know, evil. No. Oh, we got something. Did I just catch a bug, man? Did it actually happen? The game is trying so hard. Maybe this was the same thing all along. Yo, me, what's up? Show me tarantula. What could it be? The intense suspense is killing me. Invalid read from 06 100. I don't care. Sis. Oh, it's just sis. Get bug. Get fish. Disappointing. Alright, I get it. Alright, I'm changing it back. Imagine if I just changed it to like a coelacanth right now. It went to a seal. Oops. Oh, didn't like that. Uh-oh. I did crash it. Oh dear. Yeah, I soft locked it. I don't want to talk to Rossetti again, man. I guess I will have to. Oops. Oh, shoot. It really crashed. I don't know. I guess we'll find out now. Oh, I lost my watches, man. For real, man? I don't know if, I don't think the rel data gets loaded in the same place every time. I think it's all very like dynamic, you know? Because from what I could tell, that the fish, this you know, this fishfield.rel doesn't get loaded until you actually go into the map. In actual Wii, I don't know. I guess this is impossible in actual Wii, but I wouldn't even dare. Yeah, I should make a save state. TBH. No rain. Oh, it's at a different time. Okay, can I remember how I did this? No save, no life. Oh, I don't even my fishing rod, man. Raw. What time is it? Not even open. Yeah, I'm not that pro. You ever say skip on an emulator? So this, what I want to look for is this. Yeah. Once I load in again. Yeah, the 8 times fish thing is pretty interesting. I guess like fishing is slow anyway, so you don't really, doesn't really matter. And it seems like they're pretty quick to respawn once like you scare, but it is really interesting to know that. And it's always evenly split. It seems like it's always evenly split between the river and the ocean. So like it doesn't really matter where you are. There's always gonna be fish in both. So it's like, it's pretty interesting. It is pretty good to know. But like, I don't know if there's ever gonna be a case where like you run out of fish, you know what I mean? But I'm very curious about bugs. Well, the issue with bugs, I mean, fish are a lot more straightforward than bugs, I think, in terms of how they spawn. Because fish, it's certainly by acre. And this seems like, you know... straightforward, and I was able to find that fin, oops. The fin thing that led me here, but... I haven't been able to find anything like that for the bugs yet. Although, Oh, dude. I did make a save state, but I pressed the wrong button. I don't even have fish. I have to do it again? Unbelievable. Well. I had to press shift and F1 to save the state, which I guess makes sense, but... Yeah, I made this one earlier, I forgot. And Wendell's here. Is the store even open? No, because it's 11 p.m. Unreal. Actually unreal. Hmm. Simulate encounter rates. Ooh. That is kind of an interesting thought, actually. You could somehow just make the guy go like in and out of the house and, you know, count the values. And you could just do like infinite trials, right? Or a bunch. Hmm. Although I guess you have to do that for like all the different time ranges, or most of them anyway, the useful ones. Wait, ooh, hold on. Let's save the flea state. Oh shoot, I wish I had saved somehow before. If I had known. Oh, whatever. If I ever figure out the bugs, I'll come back to that save state and see how flea gets made. maybe it's just the same as always. Yeah, can you even hear? Is the music like overpowering? I don't even know. Is the music necessary? I think the game audio is pretty quiet, but I also have them as two different audio sources, so. Okay, okay. Yeah, because I meant the music just be like a short thing, but I wasn't really expecting it to be in Dolphin as much. And now we'll create a save state. And we'll do this. So I found this at the first time was, this function is basically just these four bytes. And if you go to the memory, it's easier from here. Oh, I already searched for it. So this is the instruction. And it's here. Or is it? It shows up in two places actually. Oh nice, it is the same. F14, FF8. Right? FF4. Oh, that's not the start of it. This is the start of the... Wait, this is the start of the function. Yeah. Because it's 2 lines. This one loads it in. This one is what calls the fin thing. So it is the same. That's good. Why didn't it save my watches though? It's kind of annoying. Is there... Oh, I didn't press save. Okay. I'll add those back. Real quick. Just so I have them. And I'll label them. Yeah. I think actually one of the interesting thing is the pawns. Nat play stuff. What's up? The pawn things actually take up these slots. That's maybe the most interesting thing, I guess. I mean, it's all pretty interesting, honestly. But if you got like a bunch of pawns, I wonder if you have a higher chance of getting pawn things that'll like delete your river. You know, take up a slot or more of your river fish. Because like I've definitely had, you know, multiple things in pawns before. Without knowing that it appears to, you know, prevent things from spawning in the river. So it's probably worth checking the pawns like all the time. To scare things actually. Or like, you know, over time. Imagine the 7 pawn town, you have 4 pawn things at once, your river's just empty. That'd be so funny. I wonder. What is this one? Let's bold that. Uh. Is this MRAM? I don't know. Okay, that's good. Okay. Save. Save? Did that do anything? Where would it be? Shouldn't it be in here somewhere? This is where the dump is. Just the dump, but I don't know where, my memory. That's all memory card stuff. The thing is, I don't want to have to do that again. It's just not working? It's not really doing anything. Oh, it does work? So is it saving somewhere? Oh. It just does it automatically? That's good to know. Thank you. I assume based on the title. Okay. So what did I want to do now? This is the RAM dump. In there anywhere? No, I think this program's kind of trash. Where would it be though? And how can I search it? Well, I'll pause this for now. Program text or memory? Program text? Program database? Okay. Memory? For the string? It has to pull it from somewhere, right? Maybe... This one's weird. I don't know if you can see this. Like a data section, but it has a like... Oh, what the hell? No. Okay. It's a new one. Spawn an infinite Marlins. You know what's funny actually? I should there's a few things I don't know where to go. There's a few things I can do though. Cause I'm pretty sure I saw a function with that the 8 value in there somewhere where it like looped until a value was, you know, while a value was less than 8. So I'm wondering if that's like the fish spawning function, if I can find that again. And I think if you, or theoretically if I, you know, change that value, you could get like more fish, but I don't know if that would really work. Cause I don't know if it would know where to put them, you know what I mean? Or I don't know if it has like the memory to do that. It's actually kind of interesting because I found something more concrete for the bugs. Because you know that 12 value that I thought was like the limit for bugs? I found that in the code somewhere. It's like a less than 12, similar type of thing. Where it seemed to loop until it was, you know, while it was less than 12. So I think I might have been right about that. But I kind of want to, you know, look at that as well and find more on the fish. These are just function names. I don't see like that get sys cheat code. Because that's the thing. I don't know if anybody has ever even like come close to looking at this stuff. Because I tried to look for like AR codes and gecko codes that did anything with fish or bug spawns. I couldn't find any for this game. Because I don't know if anybody knows, or I don't think anybody knows even where they are in memory. That you'd be able to do that. Or like how the spawning works, that you'd be able to do that. So here we are. Unless somebody has done that, that'd be amazing. It'd be so useful. I think that's a pretty decent, knowing somehow where it pulls the ID from. For the fish at least. Oops. Yeah, I mean that's the thing, like I don't know. I mean I think Kyler's looked at the code of this before, I'm pretty sure, but he hasn't really done anything that's public anyway. I was looking at there's like a spreadsheet Discord. And I was looking at that a little bit. They didn't really have anything that I saw. And honestly, like, who else cares? You know what I mean? Like, if I'm not looking at this, like, who else cares? This is an old game. Everyone's all about the New Horizons stuff, which is fine. But so I actually don't. This get thing is really confusing. .gmm? Oh, wait a minute. That looks familiar. Hold on. Can I open Discord? Where is it? I may have actually seen this today. Oh. This is literally just like a Google like robot generated page. XML formatted text file. Oh, well, that's kind of useful. Most gamers will never encounter GMM files. Well, I'm not most gamers. Those who do can open, examine, and edit them. Wow. Sign me up. Seriously, if I can find it. Before they first edit and save the game's text in a GMM file. So it's somewhere in here. Oh, there's an update folder. I don't know what's in here. Oh, wait, that's the, yeah, forget it. Does it pull it from somewhere else? Because I know there's somewhere there's like a ton of. Wait. Apparently this is a listing of all of them. Are there any sys? Oh. Sys 2D? Wait, what was it? Sys get fish. Oh, so these are, if this was in English, these are all the little puns. Fish time. Oh, that's the encyclopedia. I don't know what this is. Not fish anymore. PSS? Oh, there it is. Sysgetfish.gmm. Oh, it's just like I caught a tire. Wait, this is them. I mean, you're not wrong. Oh. Oh, so it's just an error when it doesn't know which Oh. So these are the that's interesting. Wait, that's interesting. These are like the unique oh, and there's a unique one for catching the last fish too. I think that's why it goes up to, that's why it has these extra ones. So it was like 75. Wait, why are these two the same? But pause, my pockets are full. And this is the unique one. Where like if your pockets are full and you're surrounded by flowers and everything in your pocket is something you can drop, you like can't drop anything. So you're just forced to let it go. The same thing can happen with a bug. It's kind of interesting. 106. Oh, that's interesting. It calls a function in this wait, what? I wonder what it is. That's probably like the animation. Wouldn't it be? What else would that be? And where's that? I don't know. But anyway, that's funny. So it looks like, yeah, if it's over 75, then or even over 74. Yeah, I guess 75 because it's yeah. This one just comes after this one. But if it's over 75, it just goes to 0, I guess. And prints that. So that's interesting. And not really useful because it's just the name of the file. Isn't it? I saw something like that as well somewhere. Where was it? It like inserted into a string name or something, but it's not, I don't think it was that. Oh wait. There's another one as well. It's kind of interesting. Yeah. Oh. If I can find it. Well, it's basically just determining whether to make the shadow a fin or not. But this, I don't know, this Geezer thing isn't always the best. This Brawlbox is a little better sometimes. But it's not as user friendly to like get to the thing sometimes. Like it doesn't have this decompile thing at all. But somewhere is even worth looking for. Doesn't really matter. It like references the model files basically for the shadows. Because there's like 4 different functions that call the fin thing. I think one of them must be determining which shadow to choose. It'd actually be useful if I could find it, because that might be something to look into. You know, like when does the shadow thing get called? Because it must get called after fish is, you know, generated at some point. I'm pretty sure it's in here though. This is just a long thing. And I don't remember where it is. There's some crazy long compiled functions, which are not easy on the eye, I guess. It's coming along, I guess. Some interesting things regarding the keys and the messages, I guess. I don't know. I'm kind of looking just at random stuff right now. What are you gamering on? Oh, here it is. These Fish Shadow 01 and Fish Shadow 00. DBD. Dad birthday. You got a fish and then no. Yes? Fish 00. By the way, does anybody know why it says cannot connect to internet every time I open it? Unable to connect to internet? Obviously you can, for one, and number two, I don't care. But anyway. Fish Shadow 01 is the name of a 3D model in here. Isn't it? Whoa. It's not in here? Where is it? Where is it? Koi, I guess, is the default texture for Fish 00. With that koi model. Make them nice and big for you. Yeah. I don't know where... I wrote this down, didn't I? Fish... Oh, Fish underscore Shadow. It's a brawl box thing, I guess. Cool. Good program otherwise. A restaurant that just had... Oh. Wait, really? Like a big one? A big red snapper? At first I read that. Did you see the tweet of a restaurant that just had blown up? I was like, oh my god. No, I didn't. But anyway. Spot the difference. Fish Shadow 00. Fish Shadow 01. That's right. It's got the fin. Although I can't rotate it. I don't know. Oh. Right click, genius. There you go. Look how big it is. Oh, it's got length too. Enormous. No, I didn't see that tweet. It's very funny though. Can you like send it? Although of all the things to choose, why red snapper? I don't know. And the cool thing is like you can repackage the doll file, I'm pretty sure. So you can like modify these textures theoretically and make the fish look funny. I don't know, people have done that before. In the old days. But not with fish. Yeah, I guess Shadow's confirmed 3D actually. That's true. Swimming around in the ocean. This big fella. But yes. Let me see if I can find that one. Cause cool. Oops. The nice thing about Brawlbox is well, Geecher does it too, I guess, but Brawlbox tells you like what functions link to it. Oh shoot, I wrote it down. Why didn't I just do this the first time? 2x83C. The thing is, Brawlbox, it starts from 0, but Geedra does not. Mario Kart Wii custom character. I know that's like a lot of people do that, right? There's some or a lot of documentation like was made because of Mario Kart Wii, which I guess is nice for me. But this is fish. Let's see. Plus 283C. Eight oh two five six seven one C. Way down there. Is that right? Is this right? It's not right. I don't think anybody would stop you. Modding gets us into Mario Kart Wii. Is it even true? So it's like, see, like these offsets are weird. Like this says it's offset 283's. Oh. Wait, what? 6, 7. Wait, no. I would just like to find where this is in this program, just like look at it, but it's not happening. This one, oh, I guess this is probably it actually. Oh, it is. Yo, Gro, what's up? Thank you for good luck. Some math. The first and the last math, I guess. Well, who knows what's the last. But yeah, why did I want to look at this? Because this is what this is. You can see this calls. This is one of the 4 things that calls the fin check thing. So I kind of want to go backwards from here. Because I think theoretically this happened before the other one. Because this determines what shadow to actually use, right? So let's see. It's referenced in one place. Which is here. Wait, what? That doesn't help. That doesn't help. As part of this, I think this is a compiled function. Ends in C. I don't know exactly what this is, really. Because I think functions reference this pointer. And it just runs a bunch of functions, I guess. And this is the one. I'm gonna rename it in case I see it. Fish shadow thing. This is Wild World? Jarring. I'm listening to Animal Crossing Chilled Day Music compilation. Wait, why is it? Shouldn't there be a chilled nighttime compilation? Hold on. Okay, yep. There we go. Okay. The main thing is I'm interested in what well shoot, actually I could just do this in Dolphin. It'll probably be easier. What these params are. Cause this is kind of similar. Oh. The first thing this does is do the fin check. So we know that happens, and then if it returns 0, so if it's not a fin thing. Oh, it's not very interesting actually at all. That's all it does. But then again, yeah, so this function itself isn't really interesting. Oh, thank you, Sip, the quiet sip. That was loud, sorry. Thank you, Sam. Good night. Take care. Also, Devel, Dark Devel, yo. Good time zone to ya. See, I don't really care what happens after this, honestly. I don't know what is happening. So the thing is, this Geezer thing didn't seem to not do this one correctly. This is like a, I don't know if it's a constructor or something, but it's like a major like routine that gets called by a ton of different functions. And I think, because the thing is, it, you know, on the surface, it's just like an infinite loop, which is what Geezer thinks it is. Because it's just basically while true, and it just branches to itself. But I don't think that's exactly what it does, because in Brawlbox, it's different. It's here. It sees it as one entire function. Oh, it does the same thing. It branches to a 0 offset, which is itself. And it does like a stack thing. And it does some stuff. It's some sort of, and it branches and it like repeats itself. But I think it's something to do with oh, Laylee Lurk, what's up? Yeah, it's I don't know. It's interesting. I've made some progress. Kind of. Some interesting things have happened. Check the recent clip is one. Yeah, what I think this does, I think it's not straightforward at all. Cause did I talk about the registers at all? Does anybody care? 32 registers. R0 is just used for temp stuff. R1 is a stack pointer. Some functions create a stack and like use it. R2 doesn't matter. R3 is the first function argument. R4 is the second through R10, which is the 8th. So this function only really uses R3. So it technically only has, it looks like it should only have one parameter, but like it gets called everywhere in here. I called it broken loop thing because Geezer didn't seem to do it well. Like it gets called everywhere with like all of these different, with no parameters, with one parameter. So I don't understand it. I don't know if it really matters. Like it gets called with 4 here, but it seems like vitally important because it gets called everywhere, but I just don't know what it does. Because after that, basically, you know, the store word U, it like makes a stack with the stack pointer and adjusts the, you know, updates the pointer, if that makes any sense. And LR is like the return register or something, so that when this function is over, it can go back to where it was. And then this is loading the return value or something. I don't know. I don't understand it. And the decomp doesn't really help. It calls broken loop thing. But anyway. But it seems pretty important. I don't know, it's something to do because these things are like, actually this is what we were just looking at, wasn't it? It dereferences this pointer, pretty sure, which does all this stuff, including called it. I don't know, man. It's just a bunch of stuff. Oh, fish shadow thing. This is where we just were. See, I'm interested in knowing like what caused this. I think we can find out. What does adder do? I couldn't find it. Oops. It's this one. All these tutorials. I don't know if it really matters. But I think it... I mean, does it not call this function? The thing is, I don't know where this is even located. This is all data. I think this is in the data files. It's not even like... I don't know. Maybe it is. Kind of a mess. Although I want to look at, like this is the only one I know here, right? This one checks if the ID is a fin or not and chooses the shadow accordingly and then does something with it. With the broken loop thing. Don't know what that does. And it does more things, which I don't know. I mean, it very quickly becomes just a huge mess. Basically, but over here. To try to make it a not huge mess somehow. So anyway, let's see. What calls this pointer? Two things, it looks like. Both from this same guy. Yes? No? Like fish field shadow. I think this is again a compiled function or something, but it sounds promising. I think I said that. The fish field shadow. Something to do with the fish field shadows, right? Generating fish, maybe? I mean, this thing's a mess. There's just so much to it, but I guess that's the issue. This calls this, which, you know, among other things, eventually calls the shadow thing afterward. And I mean, this thing again gets called everywhere. A bunch of things get set to 0. It's like, I don't know. And that's only one of the things that calls it, right? No, it's the same thing. It calls it twice. But why? And it only shows up as one thing in the decompiled. I don't know. Anyway. So where does this one get called? In another massive, confusing, not super helpful. Oh, this looks more like... Oh my god, I don't know. Math, maybe? All these random things. I don't know what is UNAF R30. Register 30. Oh, I guess maybe register 30. I don't know. What is that? Kind of like big ones like this. You just have a feeling it has something to do with, you know, spawning fish, since it's just so much, but I don't. It's just not comprehensible at all. Really. It's the same one. Was this the same thing? No. These random DATs as well. I think it's just data. I don't know what they're possibly used for. Constants, maybe? They don't really make any sense. They're just massive numbers. Unless this, it's like an address thing, arithmetic or whatever. I don't know. Like, there's just so much. I don't know what. Local C4? It gives them these weird names. But I guess it's just trying to make the stack stuff a little more useful. Or more readable. Oh, okay, that makes sense, actually. It's just the offset. But it's still not, like, helpful in terms of what it actually is. It's just... So this must just be doing a bunch of math, which again makes me think it's doing fish stuff, you know what I mean? Although I haven't seen much Rand. Where is it? In 5? Seems to have like function names, and at the bottom there's stuff like, it's just one, isn't it? I thought there was like a Rand somewhere, maybe not. Is it not in this one? Shoot, I don't know. So I don't know what that one does, honestly. Oh, these are the same. Doesn't really help. Where's the fish shadow thing? Oops. Can I find it? Okay. Oh, it only gets called in one place. Okay, so I'll go back to this one. Call fin. Do I really care where the fin check thing happens though? ChatGPT, you think ChatGPT can help us out here? Dear ChatGPT, find me the spawn percentages in this code, thank you. If you wouldn't mind. I think it's kind of useless though. Oh, not that. I mean everything really. Cause I don't really care if it's checking for fin like anywhere else. But the shadow thing is so. Everything else. This one doesn't have the fish names? Because if you open the insect one, okay. Section 4. Wait, are there a different number of sections? No. Section 4 is like all the insect names at the end. It's kind of interesting. Oh, this is just a data section. But some of the other sections like, you know, linked to these. Like section 5. Well, this is also a data section, but kind of interesting. A bunch of function names. Cause like I don't know, the fish and bugs are pretty different. But yeah, it's kind of interesting. It's got different like butterfly, beetle, grasshopper, flower, which I think means flower bug. Oh great. All the different types of bugs basically in terms of like where they can spawn, or like how they spawn. Yeah. Bee, hornet. Wait, bee and hornet are different? I guess bee is a little different. Ant. They're probably different behaviors really, because like bee flies differently than a butterfly. Ant has a different behavior. Jan, thank you. Hornet behaves differently. Strider, I guess, is a membo. Pawn skater. This is crashing a lot now. Spider, tarantula, I guess, and scorpion have the same behavior. Stump bug, walking leaf. See, the bugs are a lot more complex, generally. Yeah, I found these. Because like where each of these names is linked is here. And so it's like a bunch of these numbers. And so I was wondering if could anything be gleaned from that, but I don't think so. So I copied a bunch, I just looked at them and I didn't see any sort of correlation. And some of them, I think it's just behavior stuff. Because all the cicadas have the exact same data. So I don't think it's useful. That's like one thing. What am I looking for in the code? Anything useful. Anything cool. I can show you what I found so far. Yo, Edgar, is that right? What's up? Honestly, I don't understand what I'm doing either, so it's fine. What's this thing? So what I found so far is 8 memory addresses for the fish, basically. At least the fish ID. And I found that I can change the ID in memory. And then when I catch the fish, We got a nice little medium in the river. Summer nighttime. Surely a sweet fish. If I can catch it. Oh, thank you, thank you. Have a good one. Whoa. A dry coelacanth. That's basically what I've found so far. But I'm kind of stuck. I should probably, look at that memory, actually. Which one is eel? Eel's 15, right? Yo, PS, what's up? Yeah, I'm very limited. This is the first time I've ever actually used watches and like memory and stuff. Kind of good. Kind of good so far. Oh, there's 2 eels. There's so many eels. Get rid of that one. And already, something new already spawned. That an eel? I'll go over there. Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm just not... Like, it'd be ideal if, I don't know. Like, obviously the ID changes, but I don't know if the surrounding data changes. Probably not, like we were saying. It's probably already been determined somewhere else, and it's just, like, pointing to it. So, this one... This is the eel. It's here. Can I not close that? That's annoying. So this 0F is the 15 that is the ELID. And it starts reading from here. 4 bytes. But I don't know about the surrounding data. The thing is, they're pretty far away. So like the previous fish is at 905,323. Which is, let's see. I mean, that's a lot of bytes away. Isn't it? Why is it so far away? Who I think actually is more likely... Did I say this? I think this is like acre information, actually. This entire block, this like 1,000, 4,000 bytes or whatever, might be acre information. You know what I mean? And it just happens to include the fish. The thing is, I have no idea where it would start and end. The fish just might be somewhere in the middle. Yeah, exactly. I mean, well, I don't know. Maybe not. Because the thing is, there's only 8. I've only been able to find 8. 4 for the river, 4 for the ocean. There'd have to be more if it was like per acre, you know what I mean? Because when I ran, oh, it didn't save my symbol. Does that never save? Oops. Wait. Oh. Yes, can I not save this? Break on right. Oh, to this. Like to this? Because what I was doing before is you can break on this routine. This function, I guess, that I think this function, it just like redraws the shadow or something. I don't know, or like checks. It seems to run every frame. It's kind of annoying. Like this R3 gets updated. But it's only 8. So like 3, 2, and it goes up 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8, and 3, 9. And it goes back to 3, 2. 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. It seems like there's only 2 fish. Oh no, 8 fish at a time. And since like no other addresses show up there, it makes me think that where'd it go? Oh. Like all this surrounding stuff might be something different. I don't know if there's a way I can thing is, this memory viewer for dolphins kind of garbage. I could export it though, but I kind of want to see like if I scare away the eel, does any of the surrounding information change? And, like what could possibly be there anyway? Is the eel there still? Yeah, I can let me try this. Oops, no. Which one is it? I can dump the RAM and then scare it away and then dump it again. Maybe try to see the difference. Okay, now it's different. Oh, I just saved it. Case S, really? Is there an easy way to diff? Can this thing do it? Thing is, it's only like a certain. I don't even have this. It's only a certain section I really care about. Oh yeah, this thing. I just downloaded this today. It seems okay, I guess. Like, I was able to find, like, you can find things pretty easily. Crashed on me a couple times. Done gamering. Did you win? You know, I've heard HX. How we XD? That was the other one I heard of. Oh, let's try it. Could I see this somewhere? Sure. He sounds like a no, unfortunately. What am I doing? Oh. Installing HexD somewhere. Where though? Do I care? Oh, I just made the folder. Get the quick launch shortcut, man. Think I want to view the readme.txt? Come on. All right. Digging in. Where did I put it? Where was it put? Compare. Okay, cool. So it highlights. Wait. I was there. Ah, I see. Ooh, there's lots of differences, huh? So it's all different. Is it? Oh, it's off. Oops, oops, oops. There, that makes more sense. The wrong spot, wasn't I? Oh dear God. Okay. Okay. Thing is, it starts at 0. Where was mine? Thing is, I think it's just I think the dolphin memory starts at 8. 8, whatever. So, right? Wait, is it 52, 55, 55? Yeah. Okay, so... An 8 on the front. It'll be... I'm interested in, this one. It'll be a 1. 105. Can I go all the way down there? I mean, it's gonna be a lot of differences, but, some are probably potentially useful, but like... It's interesting. A lot of these the first bytes are all the same, huh? No, that's wrong. Like that looks like a table. Like a lot of these just look like tables. You know what I mean? Something, but I don't really see. There's no way this is optimal. Well, some things are, you know, kind of similar structure, just different. Thing is, I'm gonna mess it up if I like scroll down to where I want to go to. Definitely. So. Oh, this is kind of incredibly slow. Oh, it even has this. Well, I don't know if those are correct. I used it a little bit for this. Basically, just got it installed yesterday. Yeah. Because I installed Kyler's like plugin and stuff. And I mean, it loaded it in, but I mean, it's hard to say. I don't exactly know what I'm talking about, but it didn't like 100% correctly decompile some things, and like its usefulness is limited. I think. Oh, why is it not in the MRAM? Whoa. It's like this only goes to 8.1, right? But yeah, like I don't know, like it's pretty neat. I mean, some of the simpler things you can figure out, but like this thing, like this is in Brawlbox is all considered one function, but in this it like split it up. Oh, there's some wild like self-looping thing that I don't understand anyway. I mean, it's kind of useful though. I mean, it's kind of cool too. But like without the symbol map, I think its usefulness is limited. But without a symbol map or whatever, like, there's only so much you can do anyway, unless you just stumble across things. Yeah, I don't know why I don't see this though. It might not be in here. Compare the live game. Interesting. How do you do that? I'm wondering. I actually don't know why I don't see this, by the way. Well, I guess, yeah, it only goes down to this. So where is 9? What is this address even for? One thing I haven't touched at all, I haven't even touched the main doll, by the way. This is all just looking at the rel file so far. So it's possible that what I actually care about is in the main doll somewhere. Which I guess I would be able to see anyway, but like I don't know what is a 9? What is that? What is this address? I never really thought about it, why it's so high. This is where it's stored. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look that up. Oh, it actually uses mem. That makes more sense. I think, I don't know, apparently, let's see. Mem1 is slightly faster than Mem2. Is this the same page? Yeah. iOS heap range? It's not that. It's 9.0. Does it even matter? Oh, yeah, it's fine. And then everything above that is... I don't know. Whatever. I think I have to dump... XRAM or ARAM? What is XRAM? Spread across 2... The Wii does not have the ARAM? What? Why is it telling me I can export? Oh, jeez. The following ranges are basically equivalent? Real? But I don't even have, it doesn't even go up to 0.1 anyway. Is GameCube the one? Oh, yeah, maybe it is. ARAM 60 meg on the GameCube. We does not have the ARM ship. See what happens. Little XRAM, little ARM, little fake VMEM. Why not? Actually, have no idea. A cool cheat code? Oh wait, MEM2. Which one is that? XRAM? Oh, XRAM. All right. Easy enough. Did you make a Did you make a code to force that? Honestly, you could do it. With this information, we could make a code to just force those registers to always be, what is it, 59? 58? No, 58. Hold on, let me make a save state before you crash my game. Actually, let me let me make these dumps first, and we'll get into it. 15 is my eel. Where's it at? Balloon. Interesting. There's like a bunch of balloon code, it feels like, in there. Also, how do you do that? I just do like action replay or something? I'm guessing I have to restart my game. Is 15 not eel? Oh, it's gone. Wait, is the... I think the playlist is playing the same song as the in-game right now. Is it not? I think it is. Gecko code? Pitfall? Oh no, it's not. It's just not playing anything. Maybe it was, or whatever. Ten 3, 10 14. Days. Alright, so this is the days. Okay. Hold on. This is this one. No. Oh, wait. It's a sad song. This is Animal Crossing? It's this one again. Okay, let's export the XRAM. And rename it to something. And then scare little Daisy. Sure he's gone. Yep. And then little XRAM again. Dace. Okay. New leaf. This must be like 1 AM or something, right? Oh wait, it says, what is it? 3 AM. Wait, no, that wasn't 3 AM. This is 3 AM. That was 4 AM. Lovely. Alright, let's get to cheating. Dolphin's cheese system is currently disabled. Why? 'Cause I'm an honest man. Any cheaters in the chat know how I can turn this on? Why isn't it like blatantly obvious? Do I have to close this maybe? Oh, enable cheats. Below. Close. Now do I have to have it open? Oh. Alright, let's see. Oh. Here we go. Gecko code. Close. Now let's see. Not my watches. Did I not press save, dude? Okay, thank God. Oh. Let's take a look. Oop, dolphin crashed. Surprised that's the first time. Second time. First time was completely my fault though. I pushed the buttons. Did some ungodly things. So you're saying like add a new line? Like this? Interesting. Yep. 3A, let's see. 48 plus 10. 58. These addresses look familiar. You know what? We did something today. This is now possible, right? This was never possible before. Pretty sure. Well, I am very curious, actually. I mean, if they're all Marlin shadows, this would be really interesting, actually. Oh, crap. If they are Marlin shadows, we're in trouble. There's no one gonna be able to catch it on the emulator. Marlins have like a tight window. Apparently. If they have Marlin properties. Wait. I need to find one in the pond. It'd be so funny. Oh man, it doesn't work. JK. And it's good to know, like... I mean, the fish are, like, generated beforehand, and the shadows are generated beforehand. Wow, look at that marlin glistening in the morning sun. That's so cool. Confirmed. Let's take a look at our watches. A lot of 58s. Confirmed working. Great job. Oh, nice marlin. Thanks. Thanks. Just catch this eel and add it to my collection. What do you know? I mean, like there's so many things I could try to do. I really want to find this with bugs. Man, 2 miles in a row. How lucky can I gotta get? Shoot, I kind of really want to find. It's just impossible though. I mean, you saw those functions that call like the shadow thing. It's just so grim. It'd be funny if I see an actual fin. It just turns into a marlin. That'd be my worst nightmare. Your utopia. A world free of sharks, only marlins. By the way, the Wii... Do you see the Wii pointer has a shadow? Was that always there? Or is that an emulator thing? Pretty sure that's an emulator thing. Like below the hand. I mean, like IRL, I love marlins a lot. They're so cool. They are viciously deadly though. Like I'm pretty sure that must be an emulator thing. Yeah, they swim fast as hell, man. That's so cool. Oh no. Wait, oh look. So this one doesn't have the fin ripple effect because it's not the ID's wrong. So that's that function we found. It's like, oh, it's a 58. It doesn't need a ripple. My worst nightmare. Although marlins really should have a fin, shouldn't they? Oh wait, that's the bugs. Shoot, never mind. I'm gonna say that would have been interesting. No, this is normal. Maguro dewanai. What does that mean? They eat marlins? Dewa. Nai. Oh, no. I mean, it is pretty crazy, but also like nature's amazing, you know? But those things literally like kill people. Not to darken the mood, but like they swim that fast and they jump out of the water, they'll just like literally, you know, end you. But anyway. It's not an emu thing? You're telling me it's always there? Is it because of the time of day? Yeah. Nature is scary and cool at the same time. Oh, by the way, I think Puck is here. Probably asleep. Wait, what's Marlin fact number 1? I swear, I mean, you cannot tell me when I play this game again, I'm going to see that shadow. I've never seen it either. Maybe it's less obvious on like real game, but it's crazy. Oh, wait, my house is down low. Oh no, it's Boomer. It's not Puck. Sorry. Oh. Oh god. Can I catch a butterfly on emulator? Oh wait. Dude, the lag is horrendous. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm not pleased that I pointed it out, honestly. Gosh, it's impossible to be precise. Right, all I want is to catch a marlin in the pond, okay? Can I have this? Oh. Hey. I take a screenshot. Yeah. Guys cheating? No way. Just getting really good luck. Right, it's July 30th. Everyone knows the end of the month the marlins migrate up the river into the ponds. They swim so fast they can jump, as we've discussed. Oh, here's my BB shirt, by the way. I put this on just to be safe. And I have a totem pole. Wait, what was that? Listen, I'll keep one. Oh, the pointer on screen. And I'm gonna sell the rest for big money. Eventually. Even though I could just pack in like 1,000,000,000 bills or whatever. I'm gonna turn off this code. No shadow inside? Confirmed? Oh, it's on the menu. Is it really always there? I'm gonna have to research it. AKA just look at one video and be like, oh yeah. Not that I don't trust Harry, but you know. I mean, who could? Oh. Um. Thank you for your code. It's very interesting. I mean, I don't know. Obviously, I gotta find the spawns. You know what I mean? In the post office too. Shoot. Rainbow on the title screen. You know what's crazy? I would be curious to know what goes on when the title screen happens in terms of like code or whatever. Can I close this? All right, let's do our mem to pre-scare and after scare. P sure. Honestly, I wasn't even looking. I have no idea. Wait, why are these already at the offset of 1, 2? $901 doesn't make any sense. It's probably fine. Definitely. So I want 905. That's fine. But I think this is equivalent to 9, so 05. Right? Let's see. Do I see it? What is it? 905,323? See, there's a ton of zeros in between. BRB for dinner, GL dinner. Good night, Desert Pope. Thank you. Very cool code. I think you can claim the first ever fish spawn modifying code. Good night, good night. $32308. Any day now I'll get there. 905,323,08. 0A. Yep. Okay. So that was Dace is 10, right? No. That's crawfish. Oh wait, it wasn't that one. It was this one. That one was crawfish. Hey, whatever. It's there. Let's go to 53388. We just were. But actually, you know, it's kind of interesting, right? Ah, I lost it already. Oh, shoot. 33388. Like all of this though, all of this is in between. No, it's not. Wait, 533. Oh, 388. Wait, what? That makes more sense. 533,388. So right here. And Dace is number 4, so that's right. If you go here. Just really, you scroll like this, it's so slow, but if you go with this thing, it flies. Can I jump to it? I don't even know. Oh. Oh, it doesn't search. Okay, fine. Oh, Control G. Ah, interesting. Thank you. Oh, I should have kept it open. That's fine. Now we have. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. A loach? That's not right. What? Crap. Oh no, sorry, that's okay, that's wait, what? That's hex. Oh, okay, that's a bass. Okay, makes sense. Defo. Can I do this?
Oh man!
A little scare. It's 8 p.m. It's a little late. What can I say? Oh, wait. Okay, so immediate difference after the fact. In one place. 2. Zero A, 0B. This is in the same spot. So all of this is the same. All of this is the same, but then it gets very different. all of this is different. Right? Or a lot of it is different. BFBE, BFBE, those are all the same. A lot of these first bytes are the same. Most of these too. But like, what could this possibly... how could this possibly matter? Like, what even is... I don't even know what this is. Should probably look at it actually. It might be... I don't think it is code. Well, even like the zeros are different. This is a bunch of zeros here. Well, what's the difference between a black bass and a dace? You know what I mean? The dace has more. I guess assuming this is still part of the dace and not like the next fish, you know? But then it's like zero. Zero padded, and the next one is 534. It's so far away. It's like all the way down here. So I guess the ID anyways, a 5344. So it's here. But I would guess that it actually starts like here. Do you think that's 248 bytes away?
Yay!
Like yay? Hold on, I just want to see. Cause we go all the way back to this. It takes in an address and then it offsets it by plus 0x248 to get to the ID. So if you go to 0x248 backwards from the ID address, is it like the start of the entire thing? It's the current hope. So this one is a different one, but it's fine. It's this minus that 90534200. So not quite. It's here. I was wondering if it would be like here. Because there's all these zeros. That was just a thought. Maybe, I mean, that might be something, honestly, to look at. These are very different. Otherwise, I mean, it's just random, like, zeros in the middle, a lot of these. These are, like, very different. Then it jumps all the zeros in this. I mean, it'd make more sense that this one is the start of the new fish, right? Or something, but there's also no way. It's way too much. It's like 1,000 bytes. Or no, it's like 4,000 bytes, isn't it? We saw. It's so much. That's way too much data for just a fish, isn't it? It constantly changes, but... It's weird. The thing is, I don't know what else it could be, though. Because somehow just that number is used to get the fish. But like, how does it get there? You know what I mean? What was I looking at? It was a... I had something I wanted to look at. I think... I don't know. Can't remember. Okay, that's the same. AF Fish Shadow. Oh, right. I want to look at this in the code. Well, it's not really... Queuing in fish. Like somewhere else and then putting them in in one of those addresses, or... EDN ZLA? What on earth? The thing is, I don't even think this is like real. I don't think Dolphin reads these properly anyway. I don't know. Actually, I guess it must. Cause I don't know. I really don't know. Yo, Brody, what's up? Thank you for good luck. I'm kind of stuck. Fish size. Oh, interesting. I don't know actually. Has anyone ever tried like resetting? Like having a fish, giving it to him, then resetting and seeing again? I bet actually, what is Chip's name in English? Is he even in this game? Or in Japanese, sorry. Onma? Is Chips in this game? I feel like I've... Ooh, Masa. I haven't heard of that. Take a look at his file. Chips? In English, they call them what? Crisps? I don't know. That's his English name. I don't know. Wait, this should be code, shouldn't it? Jesus, doesn't matter. I don't know. I don't know what any of this is, honestly. Yes, my analysis says that he determines the size when you give it to him. Surely. Thing is, I don't know what this one does. These are all NPC code, but like to determine when they show up. Gold item Sancho. Event Sancho. Is that referring to Tortimer? Isn't it like Hacho or something? One superiors? There's no like Kotobuki one. So like this one, that's kind of interesting. Like none of these actually matter. But this code probably runs to determine like whether or not he shows up. Like if it's a holiday, then no. NPC SP, NPC Sancho 0. Oh, wait, I can look at that, can I? I think all their models are in here too. Special. That's not very useful, is it? They're all 0. Where am I? And there's so many of them. It tells me I can't connect to the internet every single time. I don't need to know this. There's Rover. Rover's the first one because he's on the train, I guess. Oh, there he is. Hold on. You even see that? Why is he so stretched? Why is he off center? Hold. Well, I can get a high quality. Oh, there we go. I can get a high quality yet straight from the source. Yo. SD2, hold on. I need to ask. I was like 90% sure it was Lorf's burner account, but now I'm not so sure. SD2, thank you, Lark. Are you the real SD2? Are you the real SD1? And if so, what's the deal, man? Have you been a bad boy? Boa? They call her Boa? Like Kabaribi or something? Kabariba? An actual Steams moment. Alright, I believe you. Welcome back. Is there any way I can, like, know which one I'm looking at, dude? I would like to just confirm that his name is so... This one's just 2. Tom Nook. Tom Nook bra face. Yep. I mean, Tortimer has to be Tanuki. No, it's this guy. 3. Yeah, well, I mean, who? Huh? Oh dear. Well, she's poo forever now. I'm sad to say. Risky click, huh? Owl? These internal names are funny. I guess because she's like shampoo. The official Blather skin palette. Oh man. Yeah, why is it taking so long to get to Tortimer? DK and Jack. I can play the game. Guess who it is based on their internal model name. End? Oh god. Who's End? Hmm. You think it's Rover again for saving? Maybe it's Rossetti. Let's find out. KK. Alright. He is the End, I guess. Wait a minute. Oh dear. Am I gonna get in trouble if I turn him all the way around? Can you even do that? End credits? Oh, true. I lost him. Is he T-posing? Oh, he is. Dude, what's up with his foot? It was like a shark took a bite out of his leg. Or is he just perpetually bending the knee? Oh, you can scroll. Yo. Although it seems like he's way off of the center or something. The rotation is just goes so wide. I could be here all day just like smashing. Like he's not even horizontal yet. I don't see the point. I want to find Tortimer's internal name anyway. HGS. Hugs? I have no idea. Oh, Sable. So the next one is surely Mabel, right? HGH? Mabel on some roids? I guess. Whoa. Oh wait, you can go... I don't know. What is HG though? Maybe that's a Japanese thing. Or whatever their store is called. PGA, a golfer? Why is Pelly PGA? Shasta Pelly. Look how big her beak is. Bruh. Bruh. Oh, Hedgehog, true. What was the other one? HGS? Hedgehog Sable? What is Mabel? I bet Mabel's Japanese name starts with H. That's my hunch here. Yo, Sandy Andy, what's up? That's what they said, right? Nope. Kinuyo? Confirmed. Alright, never mind. That DSP. Huh? She's just flying. That's fine. I like Pelly. Why can't I find Tortimer though? That's all I want to find. And these nondescript numbered files. PGB? What was she's oh, it's just A and B. PG bad for Phyllis. Wait, is Pete PGC? Surely not. Rover again? Pete doesn't even have one. Mabel. Wait, this is her last name? Timmy Tommy? Do they have their own texture or is it 2 in 1? Oh, it's Tortimer. Wait, what? It's bald Tortimer. Wait, is this confirmed? Did people know this? He has 1 hair? People did? Or do people not? Doesn't he always have a hat on? That's so weird. It's so unnecessary too. You're right. It tells me nothing. It's just TTI. Oh, does he? That's interesting. I guess they should have kept it then. Good job, Nintendo. Alright, I don't know what I'm doing then. Where was I? How did I get here? Oh, yeah, I was looking at NPC Sancho. Oh, okay, there we go. No, because I was curious. Is there anything interesting in like the code? I think Sancho, no? Oh, Sora advanced menu save load. Interesting. Why is that one well known? Oops, what? You hear that? Woo. It's a long one. Thanks for saving or loading. Sancho's the boy cat? Oh, really? Wait. Yeah, this is, I mean, these are just the game files. Like binary code and all that fun stuff, I guess. Wait a minute. Is there another? I mean, the interesting thing was the gold item. There's only 1 gold item, and it's this guy. Also, God, I mean, there's a lot of interesting stuff you could theoretically look at, such as like event Sancho makes me think that it's and ceremony. I was probably looking at these in this as well. Probably better. Theoretically. Classic, do nothing and loop forever. Yeah. I mean, do any of these matter? The gold item one is maybe interesting. Counter reset San. Perico. Like, what do you need so many of these for to do? Is this just for their behavior? Maybe just like idling? I don't know. Well, no, I guess it handles what they actually do. I don't know. Where's gold item? Oh no, it's specials. Jingle? Yo, Jingle? Who's Yutaro? Wisp. I mean, gold item. I don't know why I'm interested in this. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. NPC special gold item Sancho. So I'm wondering, where's the file that tells me where Krazingle shows up? What are the chances? I mean, it's just so limited usefulness. Because like this has to be checking whether it's a holiday or not somehow. But I guess it doesn't really matter. It's not as straightforward as I maybe thought. Yeah, what was that guy's name? Umoasu? There's so many. If I were a holiday? Shoot, I don't know. Independence Day? Perhaps? Uomasa. Does he not have one? NPC special. Who's... What is Fusen? Or who? Oh, balloons. Right. balloon code. I wonder if it's NPC. Oh, it's gotta be the balloon man. Whatever the hell that guy's name is. Right? Otherwise it wouldn't be an NPC. They all have this, by the way. Nobody knows that guy's name. Not even Nintendo knows that guy's name. They didn't even give him his name. He's just Balloon Man. Mystery Cat as well. Maybe it's in the... Ah, Phineas, right. Switch. Yeah, nobody cares about poor Phineas. I guess. Well, these switch things are kind of interesting. They make a little more sense. But you can kind of parse things out a little. The prize man. SP goddess, hold. Golden axe secrets. Every it does it for every function, everything. I think it's wrong, but in this same, I don't know what this does, but it seems to be in like every one. I mean, it's so there's so much you could like do. Yeah, this is a lot of fun. Like you could just add a bunch of breakpoints in places and like throw the axe and see what happens. Cause like the axe, it feels like it's gotta be pretty straightforward. Like it's a branching dialogue thing. And like this thing looks suspicious. Although it just calls it with a different second parameter, whatever that means. Ooh. Set something to 0 or 1. I don't know. I've lost track of my objective at this point. Like, at this point, I have no objective. Now it's just too complicated. Same, man. Not at this level for sure. Not this low, but that's the only reason I can enjoy this. It's super interesting. But only because I want to. You know what I mean? I mean, you do know what I mean. Oh, AF goddess appear? Right. So she appears if you throw the axe in it? Oh, does this... Brother. Where's the one that called, like, get golden axe, GG? Oh. Special goddess sea talk. Where's that? It's kind of interesting. Hmm. Hmm. Doesn't tell me anything. I'm afraid. I think, I'm not sure, honestly. I think C++, maybe? C? Hold on. Where is this one? Oh. But what is this? Why is there no value? Uninitialized? 0? If else, if else? This sure looks like a branching dialogue tree or something, doesn't it? Based on this result and these constants, I guess? I don't know what these are. It's like an uninitialized section. Of RAM, but it doesn't line up either. Dude, why is it that though? 100? I don't know. You see, whatever. He just sets it to 11. 61. Okay, I don't know what it's doing. NVM. I think I've run out of things to do today. I'm kind of stuck onto what to try next. I can either try to keep going with this fishing or look into the fishing thing going backwards more and seeing what caused the shadow things or whatever. Or I could try to look at bugs at all, because I haven't found anything useful there yet, but bugs are very different. So it might be harder. Or, I don't know. Maybe I want to speedrun something again. Oh, this has really been interesting. I don't know, was this interesting at all to watch? I mean, obviously some of the stuff is cool, but like... Oops. Other stuff, probably not so much. Let's catch an arowana for the road, actually. I haven't caught an arowana at all. Bug info, just anything to do with like spawning for one, and then maybe going backwards from there to like spawn rates. I mean, bug spawn rates and fish spawn rates is the ultimate goal. It's the dream, but easier said than done. So far anyway. But I don't know, it's pretty cool, honestly. This stuff right here, just show it one more time. Figuring out where the fish ID gets like pulled from when you actually catch it. And being able to change it. And then even though the shadow doesn't change. Uh-oh. You get a medium. There's the arowana. Enjoyed it? Yeah, cool. Well, thank you for watching. It's been a little bit.